Yeah, good afternoon, my dear sister. My name is Akin Bello. I'm a chartered insurance practitioner, uh, and I've been practicing for the past 40 years. Okay, let me start from my primary school. Abi?
Yes.
Yeah, I was born in exactly 1959, and I attended St. Philip's Primary School in the town called Italy by University State. I left in 1971 after completion. Then joined Agricultural Grammar School for my school certificate education. And from there to Lagos State Poly. Then it was Lagos State College of Science and Technology, where I studied insurance. After that, I went to Lagos State University, and from there to Edo State University for my master's degree. Then London College of Insurance, where I studied insurance and have my own chartered title. Then I proceeded to have a further education on insurance, Nigeria and London. So now up to now I'm still a member of the Board of Fellows in Nigeria. I have represented this country once in Minnesota. My boss then, Mr. Bello, was called upon, but he couldn't make it. So I was the one that he sent there to represent Nigeria. So then it has been well. I have no regret for choosing the profession, insurance profession, as my profession. Thank you. Yes. You don't just become a chartered insurer. You read insurance to be trained as an insurance practitioner.
Okay.
There's the difference between the professional education and other form of education. If you want to become a real professional, a chartered insurer, there's a need for you to go professionally on that. And during our own time, we have only one body, that is Chartered Insurance Institute of London, that has conducted that exam. Your certificate is relevant anywhere in the world. So it's not something that maybe by the time you leave Nigeria you can't practice again. No. I even practiced in London several times. So since I started this business. Well, insurance is a very, very fascinating business, I would say. But for those outside there, they don't really understand the profession. Now, there are lots of challenges. Anyway, there's no one without its own challenge. But I thank God that I have been able to overcome all the challenges I have, even when I was abroad. I didn't start as my own, to be on my own. I was trained by the first indigenous insurance broking outfit in Africa, and that was TA British Traditional Insurance and Reinsurance Brokers, home by the first person in Africa to qualify as a chartered insurer. I was there for 26 years, working in that company, and I rose from rank up to become the managing director of that company. When I left there after 26 years, I was employed as a group managing director by Alliance and General Insurance PLC. I worked there briefly for 2 years and thereabouts. Now I left for IGI. Everybody knows IGI. Yeah. Then from IGI to Star Alliance. Star Alliance I tend to be on my own. And since then, for the past 14 years and thereabouts, I've been on my own. I have no regrets. God has been so wonderful, and I thank God for the grace. Yeah, working under someone will give you opportunity to develop yourself, to be what you want to be in future. So one of us now make mistake by saying that by the time you are working for someone, we show less of commitment, not knowing that this can affect you in the future by the time you start on your own. I thank God when I was working with someone. Let me give you this, but you may not believe. I worked for 10 years without a leave. Yes, no, without a leave. Not even without excuse. 10 years without a leave. And I will be the first to resume in the office sometimes and the last to close. I was so inquisitive. Even anything that is not under me, I want to know what is going on in that department. Sometimes when I feel I'm less busy, I pick fire and I will know what is happening in that department. Let me tell you a story. There was a day something happened in my office. We have, I told you we have offices overseas. Yes. There was this big claim that involved a vessel. So I was not the one handling it. Somebody else was handling it. And somebody else was assisting the person handling it. So there was this call that came from London. They wanted to know what happened with respect to that loss. There was a loss. Then there was pandemonium. Nobody to attend to our chairman then. Then our leader just called me. Do I know anything about this? I said, yes, I know. How did you know? It's not your duty. How do you know? I said, I don't say, follow me. So he took me to the office of the chairman. Yeah. When I went to the office of the chairman said, what do you know about it? He said, you have been looking for so person. The overall boss then had gone out. And I said, sir, I know little about it. He said, what happened? And I was, all the thing I've read in the file, I was not putting it out. So fresh loaded in the gear, with 125 metric tons of cocoa board. That it was on transit, it got to there was an accident, there was this, there was that. I supplied all the details. I gave my chairman and he called. This is what he got about it. And they were looking at it from their own record there. Everything was accurate. And the man said, you are not the one in charge. And if I provide all this, you now collapse all the department to be under me. And I was promoted to general manager then.
Just like that?
Just like that. General manager. So since the time I left, in fact, that singular day, that honor of that day remained. Even till the time the man died. Anytime he's traveling, I will go with him. So through the grace of God, I visited 26 countries. Canvassing and practicing insurance. So that is how working with someone. Now that I'm on my own, I can assure you that with the little efforts coupled with those I've known when I was young and when I was training myself too, I can assure you that we don't have problem. To the glory of God, this year alone, we've done well over 200 million. This year alone, that's just about 4 months plus now. It's not we that is done it. This is a small company, but very big in terms of income. To the glory of God. We are not, we operate group of companies here too. If you see the card I gave, it's showing another company.
Yes.
This tech is under Akinfola. Then after that one, we have a looking outfit there. This is being short brokers. So the three companies are under the same company. And we are doing 3 different companies. 3 different things. the one I gave you there, specialized in survey, risk survey, marine risk survey, then ship maintenance and all investigation. So that is the aspects that one is handling. Akinfola is pure property survey and placement of risk with the underwriter, while DCIB is purely a broking outfit, placing individual and corporate insurance requirements with the underwriters. Like we have so many clients here, Puma, High, and so many companies here, even the plaza. They are our clients here. You know, Barrister, they wish all of them, they are all doing businesses with us. All this security there, we are the one providing cover for them. So anything that happens here is in our neck. If they suffer financial loss, we have to pay them. So that's our work. Very, very lucrative. If you are hardworking, use that. Don't forget to add that. If you are for, but it's not for lazy people. It's not for lazy people. Because if you are not, because it's just like fishing in a dry land. But by the time you understand what you are doing, you discover that there are lots of things. Look at all of us here. Look at this stuff. You will see that there's one there that is one above me in age. You are doing fine. It's something you can do for life and still handle that to children. So that is all about our business. Very easy. It's like the traits are synonymous. It's like they are very similar in nature. They are similar in nature. Insurance is very wide concept. Something that is so wide. Like one of my bosses said that he's been in the business for 60 years, but he's still learning. Like what I'm supposed to. I've been in business for 40 years plus, but I'm still learning. It's not something you can know all. So, but within the little ones you decide to know, you can feed, you can hit throughout your life. There's no problem. You tell us what you want, the risk that's facing your business. For instance now, you as a lady, do you have life insurance?
Life insurance.
Do you have life insurance?
No.
Yeah, you have to. You see, the insurance awareness in this country is next to zero. We rush to buy things that are not necessary, but concentrate on, we love to buy something that are not necessary, but forgetting our future. Now, you say you don't have life insurance, and it's very, very important to you. Maybe your assets, I don't know whether you even insure any. Let me give you an instance. This December, maybe you were aware. If you know me well, I used to have one islander. I was traveling unexpectedly. The effect just consumed the truth, and it consumed everything. Myself and Kodumi will skip deaths narrowly. Okay? But because I'm insurance, after going up and down for about 2 months, if it's getting everything, the boss are not for me. So, but the other thing you do now, if you don't insure it, it means that you simply be looking for money to replace it. Now, I don't need to do for money. I've paid my premium, and it was their turn to buy it now. They bought it. That's not why yeah. So, if you need, it's only the rich men that doesn't insure their property because there is plenty of money. If one is not, they can't buy it. Just the people like us now, you need to insure whatever you have now, so that at least your mind will be at rest. And if anything happens to this, then something will be done. There's going to be a sort of competition. Now, I don't know whether you are married or you are not. If you are married, you need to protect, to secure your future. They are the future of your children. In case of untimely death, now, God forbid, if I die today, I will have gone. But my family will life never suffer again. Because that's how much it can do. Or my life. But we don't have anything. You see that after the demise of head of some families in this country, you just see the children, they have nothing. Even if that man didn't have any property, if you have life insurance, by the time he dies and they pay family 100 million, will they not manage that one 200 lakh? So it is not insurance, it's very, very important. Now back to the second line of question. If you are interested, you want to go to school, you start by reading insurance, then after graduating, you now register for the professional exam, start to do the examination while you are working. And as soon as you graduate, and as soon as you are qualified, then get into a job, you tickets. So that's the way to go. That's the only thing I know. I'm not good. When it comes to banking or you're asking for law or anything, I don't know. That's what I know in my life. Insurance is the business, and that's what I know. All this one is also something that I brought from heaven. And most of the experience you cannot get it in the school. When by the time you start the business, you continue to do it. I told you that in the place just in the city company, I work for 26 years there. So if I expect to work for 26 years and I will not know what is going on in the industry. So to God be the glory. As far as insurance is concerned, we have different classes of insurance. But anyone you bring out, I'm going to go along with it. We have like 30 classes or 40 or even more.
You can tell us like 10.
No, you too, know yourself now. You have motor insurance, you have life insurance, you have marine insurance, you have child education insurance, so many. We have aviation, those flying aeroplane. Don't you know they have insurance? Without insurance, they can't even fly, they must not fly. It's a must. So if any of the aircraft now can come down today, all those inside, their family will have to be compensated, totally compensated. So if there's no insurance, there's nothing. What can be done? Well, that's a very good question. You see, you have to train yourself to be able to absorb people. Your attitude, your temperaments, and even matters a lot in insurance business. If you cannot win a soul, you can't go into insurance and do it. You must be able to squeeze water out of a rock before you can do this business. Patience. You may be insulted. Somebody called me a fool. At the end of the day, the person that called me a fool is one of those people that I've benefited a lot from. That day he called me a fool. If I ask him to go away and do all sorts of things, what I've lost. The person that called me a leaf now, a fool, I didn't get less than 10 million from him. Yes. So, the person you have something. Don't feel that you are something. Don't reject things, let your pocket be full. Okay? In Yoruba you say Ebo Osu. That is it. Indeed, because you can't achieve anything in life if you just believe that everything that comes to you, everyone that don't stoop to you, you have to truly stoop back to that person. So that is it. That's the fact of life. Endurance, perseverance. So. There's no business that you don't have competitors. the way you produce and the type of products you offer, the type of benefit you offer, the way you treat your clients, like I just said, will place you in the position you want to be. Whether you want to be in the forefront or you want to be at the lower, that is what's going to happen. Competition, I love competition. Honestly, that's what I love most in my life. I love competition. Like I said, okay, today, just forgive me for this. And I said, I want you. I wouldn't mind if 10 men wants you. Huh? I will prove to you what I can do. I will tell you why I'm better than others. Look at Tinubu. They asking the question, if you are not running, who would you vote for between Atiku and Obi? What did he say? He said they are not qualified. He is the only one qualified. Yes. So you reach the stage where you can be so sure of yourself that look, what I can offer, nobody else can offer it. That is the way I operate. We have many people setting up and doing this kind of job I'm doing. But I can tell you that 90% of them are sleeping now, they are rising. I think this year I've done over 200 million. Ask me for the ratio, I'll just bring it to you now. Even all those companies we are seeing, the big companies we are seeing, how many of them can say that they don't even touch it a year with the first quarter? And if you want it now, I just ultimately to go and take my statements, just one bank statement for you. And you see it. So, well, insurance is a good business. Let them go. They too, they will sell. The only needs, and they only need to be ready to do the work the way should be done. That's it. And abide by the law and regulations. We shall be working with them. Thank you.